Hey everyone, if you are preparing for a node.js interview, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the most commonly asked node.js interview questions along with clear and concise answers. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these questions will your next interview. So grab your notebook, hit that like button and let's dive in. First question. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to execute JavaScript code outside the browser, built on Chrome's V8 engine, unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP. Node.js uses an event-driven non-blocking I/O models, making it highly effective for handling concurrent requests. PHP is scripting language, whereas Node.js allows JavaScript to be used for both front-end and back-end development. Next question. What is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function which gets executed later when an operation completes. They are essential in asynchronous programming because Node.js is non-blocking, meaning it does not wait for operations like file reading or database queries to complete. Instead, it uses callbacks to handle the results after the operations finish. Here is the example code. Third question. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Here is the answer. The package.json file acts as a configuration file for a Node.js project. It stores essential project metadata and dependencies. Here are the key properties: name, version, dependencies, dev dependencies, scripts. Here is the example code for package.json. Fourth question. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is used in common JS modules, default in Node.js. Import is used in ES models, ECMA script modules ESM, which is the modern standard. Here is the example for require and import. Let's see. When to use require folder, require for older Node.js project, use import for modern project. Fifth question. What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware in Express.js is a function that executes during the request response cycle. It can modify the request response or end the request. Here is the example. Let's see. Middleware can be used for authentication, logging, error handling, etc. Here is the sixth question. What is the RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API, representational state transfer, is an API that follows REST principles using HTTP methods. Main HTTP methods: get, post, put, delete. Creating a simple REST API in node.js with Express. Here is the code. Seventh question. What is the purpose of the node package manager npm and how do you use it manage dependencies in a node.js project? npm means node package manager, is used to install, update and manage node.js packages. Common npm commands: npm init-y, npm install express, npm install -g nodemon, npm uninstall express. Here is the example. This adds express as dependency in package.json. Finally, last question. Why it is important to hash password in a web application? Storing passwords as plain text in a security risk. Hashing protects user passwords by converting them into a irreversible string. Why hash passwords? Prevents passwords leaks in case of database breach. Ensures secure authentication. Here is the example using micro.js to hash password. Thank you for watching this video.